This quick tutorial will show you exactly how to check the Spark version in Databricks. Whether you're a seasoned data professional or just starting out, knowing the version of Spark you're working with is crucial for compatibility and functionality reasons. So let's dive into the steps you need to follow. First off, if you already have a notebook open and it's attached to a running cluster in Databricks, you're halfway there. The key here is to use either Python, specifically PySpark, or Scala to easily retrieve the version number. Let's start with Python, which is widely used for data operations and machine learning tasks in Databricks. In your open notebook, simply type the following line of code, print spark.version. Once you've entered this command, go ahead and execute it. Within moments, you'll see the Spark version number displayed in the output cell of your notebook. This simple command leverages PySpark to access Spark's version information directly from the Spark session object, which is automatically created for you when you start a session in Databricks. If you prefer to use Scala, the process is just as straightforward. In your Scala notebook, type the command println_spark.version. Execute this command, and just like that, the version of Spark you're running will be printed out. Scala is often used when high performance and type safety are required, and just like with Python, accessing the Spark version is a quick and easy task. Now, why is knowing your Spark version important? Well, Spark releases come with improvements, bug fixes, and new features. Being aware of your version helps ensure that you're using the right syntax and functions, which can vary between different versions. Additionally, if you're troubleshooting or following tutorials, knowing your version can help you find the most relevant information more easily. A quick tip here, always make sure your notebook is attached to a running cluster before executing these commands. If your cluster is not running, you won't be able to retrieve the Spark version, as these commands rely on an active Spark session. To wrap things up, checking the Spark version in Databricks is a simple task you can accomplish with just a single line of code, whether you're using Python or Scala. This information is invaluable for maintaining compatibility with your datasets and ensuring the smooth execution of your data pipelines and analytics tasks. I hope you found this guide helpful. By knowing how to quickly check the Spark version, you can save time and avoid potential compatibility issues. Thank you for watching, and happy coding.